blackjack boat. It's not too rough.
Nice snapper. First drop. Gag. Freaking grouper on the first drop.
Nice, dude. Didn't take no time.
No.
I want to take a picture of that.
Yeah, it's cooler weather. The gags will be all over this place. I probably should drop my big pole with a whole thread fin.
God, it's gorgeous, man.
There's no color to that one. That's like a little gagger. Better be a snapper the way it's fighting. That's a gag.
Ooh. Good job.
Yeah.
12-inch grouper. Imagine a 30-incher. There we go. There we go. Get out of the rock. Get out of the rock. That's a grouper.
You got him.
Damn. Justin, what happened?
No comment. Super grunt. Snapper.
What?
My first drop. My first drop.
Nice.
Let him run. Big snapper. Big daddy.
Is it?
Oh.
Nice.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
I found the trick.
Nice. Beautiful fish.
Thread fin.
Is that what it was?
Thread fin.
That's a gorgeous
Nice.
fish, man.
My first drop.
Good job.
It turned into a fish. It was a
It
snag.
was like taking me into the rock.
Yeah, you had a grunt in the rock.
I knew it was like a little grunt. Tuck, 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 tuck.
Little grunt came out of it. I got a little gag. Oh shit. There you go. Get him up. Don't let him go back in that.
It's tight, trust me.
There you go. Oh, nice gag. Hey, sir, hold my pole. Hold my pole.
Oh, I barely got him. Nice, dude.
It's funny. It's actually a freaking baby.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty though.
It's a good size one.
That's a baby?
Oh, it's
Can I hold him?
pretty. Wait till him. There you go. Oh, they're so small. That's from grouper. Oh, big feet!
Wow.
Big feet!
Big net.
I'm confused. Give me that.
Grab it. Oh, big sheep.
Be careful of that. It might fall off.
Got it?
That's not a thread fin.
Oh my god.
Sheephead don't eat thread fin.
Holy crap.
Or did I drop a shrimp? You believe me now the size of the sheeps now? After I eat a shrimp, I'm like, big
I'll
shrimp!
let you frame it. It's a sheep. I thought it was group.
Ground by both eyes.
God, dude.
I didn't move this cooler. I want to throw a
Yeah,
fish in the water.
it's about it.
That almost reminds me of the one Jake got on my
21. 20 and a half.
20 and a half. Almost 21. Same size as that grouper.
Remember that, Justin?
Dude, he's gorgeous, man.
Justin, do you remember when Jake got that
On a
big
thread
shrimp?
fin. Like, he must have been hungry. Look at the size of that.
That he is. Look at his tail. Where your
Look at the
fingers
size
at.
of that thing. Yeah, they're mating. Oh, it's a big grouper. He's in the rock. Oh, it's a big grouper.
Get him.
It's a big grouper.
Come
Oh my god, I got him up. Oh my god. Oh, what if this is a huge snapper? It's a tank, whatever it is. I hope the Goliath don't get him.
Oh, yeah.
That's a big grouper. On the trout rod.
Good job.
That's a keeper.
Yeah.
Just keep your gag on the trout rod. That's a nice fish. Sarah didn't catch him, guys. Why we think we're not having the best bite. The water's all stirred up from the storms. It's really dirty out here.
I hope it's a snapper.
Recording?
Yes. Snap. Oh, that's a big grunt. Of course I'm. Nice. I wish I had my grouper rod ready. That's grouper bait right there. Little tiny grunt. Nice trout. You gonna get the net? You see it, Sarah? It's a redfish. It's a little one. I don't need the net. Sorry.
But I want to.
That's alright.
Aww. That's like the size I caught down in Treasure Island.
He's got a lot of color to him. He's really colorful. Well, trout are in here. That's a good sign. Now he throws in the middle. Do you see that?
I've been throwing in the middle.
You've been throwing over there.
I threw one time over there.
Right when I catch one. It's because he swallowed it. He was non-stop shaking his head the whole way in. Is that a keeper?
Yes, it is. Fuck yeah, it is.
No.
Yes,
Right?
it is.
Yeah, he's a keeper. Feels big like a red. Is that a trout? Holy shit! Jeez. Look at the teeth marks. That's a 17-inch trout.
We should get a picture with. I see all the
Look
pictures.
at that cut mark.